A local doctor's passion for mountain climbing has crossed over to his work. Dr. Christopher Waite founded the nonprofit Climb for Kidney Cancer, which raises awareness and encourages people to get out and get active. He joins us today to talk more about his mission, and he has one of his patients, Eric Bray. Gentlemen, first of all, thank you for coming. Doctor, let's talk about your passion for mountain climbing and how it has now taken on a new mission, if you will. Talk about that.
Well, there's a lot of symbolism and a lot of parallels between climbing and fighting cancer. And so we use the symbolism in climbing to draw parallels in the journey that begins when someone gets diagnosed with cancer. And you hear stories like Eric's here, and they really inspire you. So when we're climbing and I'm feeling tired and I've been going uphill for hours with weight on my back, I'm really inspired by stories like Eric's of their journey with cancer and their bravery as they face it.
So how do you honor that bravery with your mountain climbing?
Well, we typically dedicate a climb to a handful of patients, and we carry their photos with us, and often we carry some token. Like, for example, this is a medal here that we carried to the top of the Middle Teton, and then we take a photo on the top, and then we bring it back down and give it to the patient. So I'd like to give that to Eric. That's been to the top of the Middle Teton.
Thank you. Excellent. Yeah. Now, Eric, your story is absolutely amazing. First of all, you were diagnosed with polio as a child.
Correct.
But you fought through that thing, and then you're hit with cancer. And but you're a survivor. Talk about that.
It's I guess it's a matter of challenging the expected. That the battle with polio in the 50s, I wasn't old enough to realize how sick I was, truly.
Yeah.
And then
you fought through it.
Stubborn Irish kid who just figured out ways to adapt to the damage that it did.
Talk about the cancer diagnosis, kidney cancer.
That was a complete surprise to myself, to my doctor, to my family, and I was told, if there was something you want to do, if there's something you want to see in this life, go do it.
Given less than a year to live.
And less than a year to live. I chose to fight it, I guess you would say, to challenge it.
A treatment. Talk about the treatment that saved your life.
The treatments that saved my life were actually the third set of treatments we tried. And it was a brand new drug, literally just approved a couple weeks before I met with my doctor, my team at Cleveland Clinic. And I agreed. They said, "Do you want to try it?" And I said, "Absolutely."
Doctor, what can you tell us about this treatment? What kind of treatment is he talking about?
It's a new treatment called enfortumab vedotin, and it's an antibody drug conjugate. It's a new type of treatment for advanced urothelial cancer. He had urothelial cancer of the kidney. He had a very good response. The disease was all throughout his body, had a wonderful response. Then that put him in position to receive some surgeries that it took care of the disease in the lungs and in the lymph nodes, but it didn't take care of it in the kidney. So then we took care of that with surgery. We still have some treatments. We're still working on things, but here we are 5 years later. After thinking he was only going to see one Christmas, he's gotten to see 5.
That's incredible. What a blessing. Now, you have an event coming up this weekend, and could you tell us about that?
Yeah, we don't have a lot of mountains here in Cleveland, but we have a stadium here. And so we have an event, Climb for Kidney Cancer event, that will be in the Wolstein Arena on this Saturday, August 17th. We invite everybody to come. It's a great event. We have educational aspects. We'll have the newest surgical robot that the patients or general public can sit down and do surgery, for example. We'll have people climbing stairs, again, in that symbolism of the journey that begins with cancer. Silent auction, a lot of fun for the whole family.
Eric, are you going to be there?
Absolutely.
Yes. First year for the event, Doc?
First year in Cleveland, yes.
Yes, excellent. Well, I tell you what, Eric, you are amazing.
Thank you.
Doctor, God bless you for what you do as well, man. You know, just saving lives and doing what you do, treating patients like Eric and many, many others. You guys are doing a wonderful thing. Once again, the event is going to be happening this weekend, and we encourage you to head over to the Wolstein Center. All-day event, Doc?
Starts at 9 in the morning till 1.
Okay. Excellent event as we continue the fight of cancer, all types of cancer. God bless you. Man, you're my hero.
Thank you
Keep
very
on
much.
doing what you're doing, man.
Thank you.
Doctor, thank
Thanks
you
for
as
having
well.
me.
All right.
Yeah.